Hello, Internet marketers. Jeff Trainer here with an internet business model that can make you a ton of money. Today I'm going to talk about creating a free email newsletter to people that are interested in your products or services. Actually, it's a 6-step process. The first one is give away something for free in exchange for email addresses of people that are directly interested in your products. Then, step 2, sell advertising space to other businesses and produce a periodic newsletter to send to those people that are interested in what you're offering in your specific niche. Step 3, the success rate will be high because of the high degree of targeting. Step 4, in your newsletter, add your own quality content that corresponds to your niche. This makes you seem like you're an authority on the subject and people are more apt to purchase from you. Step 5, you can then sell your own products. You can refer your readers to your website to buy affiliate products. Just make sure you don't advertise them in your newsletter, though, because this is against some companies' policy. It's against Amazon policy to include affiliate links in emails, and it's also against other affiliate companies, so make sure you're not going against their policy. But what you could do, step 6, is you could place links to digital products that you find at ClickBank, JVZoo, or eJunkie. So this method makes money in several ways. The advertisements pay for your email service, the products you sell make you a profit, and you refer people to your website, which increases your traffic and makes sales. You can also make money with digital offerings this way. Some people are going to buy the digital products. If you want to learn more about making money online and how you can go about doing the things in this video, be sure to subscribe and I'll cover those in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and comment if you received value. Adios for now. This is Jeff Trainer, and we'll see you in the next video real soon.